In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an answer key in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. Once you're ready to go, head over to Google Drive. If you're like me, you'll probably have a bookmark for it, but if not, just type in drive.google.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you land on the Google Drive homepage, take a look over on the left side of the screen. You'll see a big button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a drop-down menu will pop up showing various options like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and more. For what we're doing today, you'll want to select Google Forms. Now, when you click on Google Forms, you'll be presented with two options: create a blank form or use a template. For our purpose today, select the blank form option. Now that you've got a fresh canvas to work with, let's customize it a bit. Before we dive into setting up our questions, let's switch some settings around to transform this form into a quiz. Look at the top right corner of the page and find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on that. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Quizzes. Click the option that says Make this a quiz. This step is crucial because it enables you to add answer keys to your questions and automatically grade your quiz. Now, if everything went well, you'll see that your settings have been updated to reflect that this is now a quiz format. After that, let's navigate back to the Questions tab. You can do this by either clicking the arrow at the top of the screen or selecting the Questions button on the left. Now we're ready to start building your quiz. Begin by adding a title or name to your form to keep everything organized. It could be something like Math Quiz or History Trivia, whatever suits your quiz's content. After naming your form, it's time to add your first question. You'll see a text area where you can type your question. For this example, let's go with a multiple choice question, as it's a common format for quizzes. Once you've typed up your question, take a look at the right side of the screen. You should see that multiple choice is the default question type. If, for some reason, it isn't selected, make sure to click on it. Now, you're ready to add the options for your respondents to choose from. If you need more options, just click on the Add Option button to append any additional choices you want to include. Now let's talk about adding the answer key, which is the most important part. Directly beneath the question you created, you'll spot a small link labeled Answer Key. Click on that. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be able to designate which option is the correct answer. Just click the circle next to the correct answer. Also, you can set how many points this question is worth. So you might want to adjust the points based on how significant you believe the question is in relation to your quiz. Once you've set the correct answer and the points, don't forget to click the Done button located at the top of the answer key panel. This will save all your settings and bring you back to the main question page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively added an answer key to your Google Forms quiz. This means your form will now automatically grade responses based on the correct answers you specified. So, happy form creating? And I hope this was helpful for you today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.